We all use desktop computers at our home and offices, and the major part of it is the cabinet, which holds the motherboard and other essential items. So guys, today we are going to review the Micro-Atx cabinet from Corsair, which is Corsair Carbide 88R. So let's get started with it. As you see to the front, here is the cardboard box of it, which it is written that Carbide Series 88R Micro-Atx mid tower case, and the let me zoom in a bit, and then you can see that we have the clear picturization of the cabinet given here, which is pretty easy to understand for people who are not involved in PC building, so that they can easily build their cabinet, easily build their desktop computers. And if you see to the back side of the case, it says that clean and modern design, full size parts with compact size, and has cooling options. So now let's unbox this and check out the cabinet itself. Now after taking out the case from the box, you can see that it's been neatly packed and properly placed within the thermocol so that there is no damage. So thumbs up for Corsair for making it a good packaging, as with other cabinet companies I have seen that we don't generally get this kind of good packaging. So now as you can see that here is the case itself, and it just looks nice. You can see that here is the case, and it has the glossy finish and it's a black color, and the build also looks nice. So you can see that here is the side of the cabinet, and it has air vents and the side transparent panel through which you can see the inside of the cabinet. To the back, you can see that we have all the necessary ports and expansion slots which you should have in a good cabinet, and here and there. And if you see towards the top, I have just put the cabinet upside down, and here's the top of the cabinet, and you can see that here we have the air vents for good cooling of the same. So here we have thumb screws by which you just open the side panel of the cabinet, and here is the side panel, which you can see that here is the side panel of the same. The cabinet we get the instruction manual for the installation of the Carbide series, of how you can install your motherboard and RAM and stuff in this. And then further inside this you get few of the screws which will help you to fix your motherboard inside the cabinet. So guys, as you can see that now I have installed the my motherboard and other parts in the cabinet, and you can see that it just looks cool. You see that how free is this? Even with my old case it was not that free, and here you can see that I installed a motherboard, my SMPS, and then my CD drive and the hard disk, and still you can see that I have enough space from my hand to exactly go and fix everything. So overall this case is very good, and I'll surely recommend you can buy this case. It's just for 3000 rupees, and you can just get it in a local market, or I will leave a direct link so that you can buy it. The case is really robust and it just looks nice. And overall it's a Corsair brand, so you just don't have to worry about anything because it's a renowned brand and you get the brand trust of it. So guys, this is how the cabinet looks after you installed everything. You see that from the side you can just see everything with your cabinet, and you can see just your wires and through, you can just see it through from here. You have the extra rear fan panels. So overall the cabinet is very nice. So here is the power button of the same. You can see that here we have the front ports. Inside as you can see that the fans are running. The CPU fan, here is the additional fan through which the cabinet, the extra cabinet fan which has, and here we have put it to the BIOS of it. So overall the cabinet is very good. It looks nice, and if you want to pick it up, I will leave a direct link so that you can buy it. And then guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up. For more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel, that is TechGeekCity. You can also hit us up on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. The links are given below in the description. So once again, you can also check out our blog page www.yellowbell.in for more tech news and stuff. So once again, thanks a lot for watching guys. This is Hydration signing off. I'll catch you guys soon, my next one. Till then, peace.